Hi, my name is Deanna Monroe. I'm the technical product manager here at EFI, and today I will be demoing Grower Lab now that we've launched Engagement 3.0. Just like with Engagement 2.0, after our grower users log in for the second time, they land on the benchmark page. That benchmark page is going to let them know where they are since they have last logged in. It'll let them know how far in the assessment they are. They'll be able to access their engagement profile easily from this page. And since they've worked on the assessment some, the benchmark page is going to reflect back to them what they've done and how they've engaged. One way that it does that is by recommending resources here. These resources are aggregated and curated based on how they've responded to the assessment thus far. If the user has prioritized any management systems or any assessment questions, those are going to be here for them, and they can easily refer back to them and continue to work on those. And then lastly, on the benchmark channel, we've updated the response pie chart with clearer legends so you can see your percentage of how you responded. Out of the 6 responses, you can see how many times you answered for one of them and the percent thereof. So let's back up a little bit and we'll go to the Learn channel. The Learn channel, again, is the same as Engagement 2.0. You will be able to access those resources to help you learn about that specific management system or assessment question. You can also update your responses here in the Learn channel, and you can continue to add notes. Those notes are private to you and your users that have access to this organization's ESA Grower account. And then you can also set your priorities. Going to the Assess channel, we have those 3 preamble questions in the beginning, and then you're going to get to the assessment itself, where, as always, you have that information icon. If you need to use the resources from the Learn channel, you still have easy access to them in the Assess channel. And an update that we've made is when you respond, when you click one of the responses, the system will automatically move you to the next question. So you don't have to keep scrolling down and clicking continue. You can just answer and it'll move you right along. And also we fixed kind of the jumpiness in the channel where the page was jumping up and down. So now the page is still and it moves by itself. And we already went over the benchmark channel, but one other thing I wanted to highlight is that this engagement profile icon here at the top not only shows you which engagement stars you've earned, but if you click on it, it'll bring you right to the engagement page. From any page that you're on in Grower Lab, you can click that icon, it'll bring you right to this engagement page. And the stars this cycle, the certification star, is the same as Engagement 2.0. You have to hold one of these benchmark certification programs to get that gold star. And the assessment channel is the same as last year in Engagement 2.0. You have to complete the assessment in full and then attest to your accuracy and understand that your responses are not shared outside of your organization. So to earn that Learning Channel star as a grower, you are going to have to click this link here, or you're going to download our Continuous Improvement Action Plan. This page is going to pop up after you click that download, and you can use either of these 3 versions to complete the Continuous Improvement Action Plan. Once complete, we ask that you upload it. So we're going to say yes to I've read and agreed to the privacy policy. We're going to choose that file, and then we're going to upload it. Once uploaded, we have earned that Learning Channel star. To earn the Ethical Recruitment star, which is a new star for our growers, you are disclosing as a grower whether you utilize farm labor contractors for some or all of your operations workforce. If you do, we're going to ask that you either invite that FLC or you choose from this box here. So this box here represents FLCs that are already engaged in FLC Lab. And once you click on them, they'll automatically be attached to your grower account. And if you don't see your FLC in this list, we're asking that you invite them. So you click that invite, put in their name, their email address, and click invite. And once that FLC accepts that invite and they let us know, we'll give them free access and then you'll earn the ethical recruitment star. If you do not work with FLCs, we're asking you to demonstrate your active engagement in ethical recruitment by utilizing one of these methods to do so. So our preferred method is the Employer Pays Principal Continuous Improvement Action Plan, where when you click that link, it'll bring you to this page and give you three options of downloading this document and filling it out to upload. So you're going to let us know which document you decided to use here. And then again, you're going to say yes to our read and agree to the privacy policy. You're going to choose that file, and then you're going to click upload. And then you'll earn the ethical recruitment star there. Another cool feature that I've been using thus far is we have been able to expand and contract the stars to make the page a little easier to navigate and to use. So once you're done earning the star, you can collapse it. So thanks so much for your time today, and I hope you all are fully engaged and enjoy this new iteration of ESIP Lab. Thank you.